Hello, my name is endoplasmic reticulum. This is how I look in eukaryotic cells. I am the biggest cell organelle in the cells. I am of two types, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Being the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, my main function is to uh, do the detoxification work in the liver cells and to produce lipids that helps in the membrane biogenesis. Being RER, that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, I have ribosomes that are stuck to my outer membrane, and I help in protein production, that will further help in the formation of new organelles and to repair the worn out cells. So, being the rough endoplasmic reticulum, I play an important role in detoxification, membrane biogenesis, and more importantly, lipid and protein production. Hello, I am the vacuole, and here is how I look in the main plant cells. First of all, talking about plant cells, I play the most important role in plant cells and cover most of the area because, unlike animals, plants cannot move and neither can they excrete easily as animals can do. Therefore, all the waste needs to be collected properly, and the food and water too needs to be collected in a proper place. Therefore, I play the important role of storage, and other than that, I play the important role of maintaining the cell homeostasis. Also, considering my important function, I help in maintaining the turgidity and rigidity in plant cells. In animal cells, I am present in a smaller form known as the vesicles, and I too play the important role of transporting substances from the Golgi apparatus and from the endoplasmic reticulum to other parts of the cells. So, being part of the cell, I am the vacuole who does the important work of storage and transport. Hello, I am the mitochondria, and this is how I look. I play the important function of producing ATP, or the adenosine triphosphate, which is the fuel currency in the cells. I obtain food that is eaten by the animal or the plant, and further, on obtaining oxygen, I break this down and produce the ATP, which is further given to all the parts of the cell to function. I also play the important role as being the semi-autonomous cell organelle, as I can, without the help of the nucleus, function separately, as I have my own DNA and ribosome. Also, I am only passed on from the mother to the children, as I am part of the mother's hereditary, which passes only from the mother to the child. I was formerly a prokaryotic cell, and later, over time of evolution, I have now become part of the eukaryotic cell. Therefore, I also play, as I told, I am the part of the power. I play the important role of producing ATP. Therefore, I cover nearly 40% of the heart cell, because heart needs a lot of power to pump all day and all years out. Therefore, also I am found in abundance in liver cells, but on the contrary, I'm not at all present in RBCs. Therefore, here I am the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria.
Hi there, I am the plastid. I am inverted by squammer. I am double membrane organelle found in cells of plants and algae. There are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplasts are found within the mesophyll of plant cell, and they are the site of photosynthesis. Chromoplasts, these are found in flowering plants, aging leaves, and fruits. The chloroplasts convert into chromoplasts. The leucoplasts are non-pigmented organelles, that is, they are colorless. They basically act as storage sheets and are most used for converting amino acids and fatty acids. Hi children, I'm the most prominent, dominant, important, and one of the largest cell organelle. Yep, you guessed it right. I am the one and only nucleus. Robert Brown invented me in 1831. A nucleus is double membrane eukaryotic cell organelle that contains genetic material. It has nucleolus, which is covered with nucleoplasm, and the nuclear envelope, which has pores in it. Nucleus contain chromatin, which contains proteins and DNA. It is responsible for storing the cell's genetic material or the DNA. The nucleus is site of transcription, that is, it creates different types of RNA from DNA. It is also responsible for many important cell activities such as protein synthesis, cell division, growth of the cell, and also many important functions. Hi, Centriol here. Edward and Theodore observed me for the first time in 1883 and 1888. All animal cells have two centrioles. They help the cell during cell division. They help in cell division by forming microtubules on the either side of the cell. They are usually present near the nucleus but are not visible when the cell is not dividing.
Hi everyone, I am the cell wall and this is how I look. I am a structural layer surrounding to some types of cells. I am very tough, flexible and sometimes rigid. I provide these cells with both structural support and protection and also act as a filtering mechanism. I prevent osmosis from bursting. I even control intercellular transport. I am present in plant and prokaryotic cells only. Hi again, I am the plasma membrane and this is how I look. I am also called the cell membrane. I am found in all types of cells and separate the interior of the cell from the outside environment. I consist of lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. I regulate the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell. I transport nutrients into the cell and also transport toxic substances out of the cell. Hi again, I am the lysosome and this is how I look. I am a membrane bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. I am also called the suicidal bag of the cell. I am involved in various cell processes. I break down excess or worn out cell parts. If a cell is damaged beyond repair, I can help it to self destruct in a process called programmed cell death.
I'm the Golgi apparatus, also known as the Golgi bodies, Golgi complex, or simply the Golgi. I'm an organ mostly found in eukaryotic cells and I'm also the part of the endomembrane system, which is in the cytoplasm. My main function is to package proteins and in two membrane-bound vesicles inside the cells before the vesicles are sent to the destination. I got my name in 1898 and from my discoverer Camillo Golgi. I'm the ribosomes. I'm the macromolecular machines which are found in all living cells that perform biological protein synthesis. I link amino acids together in the order to specified by the contents of messenger RNA. RNA is ribonucleic acid molecules to form polypeptide chains. I was discovered by George E. Pilati in 1955. Hi, I'm the cytoplasm. I am a thick solution that fills up every cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. I am mainly composed of water, salt, and proteins. My main function is to be responsible for holding the components of the cell and prevent it from damage. I was discovered in 1831 by Robert Brown.